Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dinma. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. So basically this video is going to be a very short video. I just want to come on camera and show you guys how I do my brows, because I feel like when I do my makeup on camera I hardly show the parts where I do my brows, because doing the brows takes a lot of time. Like it takes me like close to 20 minutes to do my brows, so I always crop it out of my videos when I post them on YouTube. So anyways, I just want to quickly show you guys how I do my brows. It's very easy and simple. So what I'm doing here, I'm just laying down the brows with an air wax. I'm just going in with very little quantity. As you guys can see, it's not even that obvious. And I went a little bit crazy while trimming my brows. You can see I chipped off some hairs where I wasn't supposed to do that, but it's all good, it will grow back. So after laying that down, I just want the brows to be sleek and just lay in place, brush everything upwards. So I'm just going to go in with a brow pencil. This is the Marlbrook brow pencil. I'm going to outline underneath my brows, and just follow the natural outline of my brows. You can see I went directly under where my brow hair stops, and I just trace the line. And then on top I'm going to start halfway, not like at the beginning of my brows, halfway, because I don't want to have that square shaped kind of brows. That's weird and it's not good to look at. So I'm just going to fill in the hairs, make sure the outer part is darker compared to the inner part, so we are having that kind of ombre effect. So I went in a little bit heavy handed on the outer part, on the tail of the brows. But when it comes to the front part, I just created like 5 or 6 strokes of faux brow hair, and that was it. So we're going to set the brow in place, because I don't like a shiny brow. So I'm just going to use a dark powder, the one I showed you guys. I'm going to use the dark powder from that palette to kind of mimic the color of the brow pencil, and I'm just going to set the brows in place and make sure everything is nice and matte. Now to conceal, I'm using this brush from Techniques. This is my favorite brush to use, and I'm going in with the concealer from LA Gear. This is in the shade Cool Town. You want to go in with the concealer that's like 1 shade or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, so when you blend it out, it's not going to be that ashy and too bright and too light. Then it will be very difficult for you to blend into your skin. So I'm just going to conceal underneath my brows, and to conceal on top of it, I'm using my foundation. That way it will just disappear into my skin. Like you can't even tell at the end of the video if I conceal the top of my brows, because it's just going to match with the rest of my makeup when I go into do the whole full face and everything. So I would definitely recommend that when you conceal the top of your brows, make sure you use your foundation shade, so that it can be very easy, especially if you're a beginner, so it can be very easy for you to blend out. So I'm going in with a big brush like that, and I'm just going to blend. As you guys can see, the foundation just like almost disappeared into my skin, you can see. So when I go in with my foundation to do my full face, it's going to disappear completely. So I'm just blending out the concealer, make sure everything is laid down and seamless, and just to blend out everything so it is smooth and there are no creases. So this is the look, and I'm going to set it with a brow set from this is a brow set product from Blossom. I'm just going to use that to set my brows in place, make sure they don't move throughout the day. And I'm using the darkest shade, so I'm not applying it to the beginning of my brows, to the front part of my brows. I'm going in only at the tail part. Then for the front part, I just went in very light handed, so because I don't want products there. So this is it, guys. I'm going to go off camera to do my other eyes, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. You guys can already see the difference, like a well-groomed brow. So I went off camera, did my full face, and we are back. So this is the finished look, and the brows are on point, everything is beautiful. So I hope you guys learned a thing or two. This is not like a really detailed video for how to do your brows. I'm going to film that edited video to show you guys how to do your brows, actually for beginners, but I just wanted to show you guys how I basically do my brow when I do my makeup every time. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. That's the most important one. Subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on all social media platforms, guys. It's at Dinmacoco on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I will see you guys next time.